Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my peachy makeup. I hope you guys like it. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to pin my bangs and then I'm going to start with the peachy makeup. I'm taking little moisturizer. You can apply any moisturizer you like. Apply it gently and take it to your face and over the neck. Now I'll apply the primer. This is by NYX Angel Veil. So this much of it. And apply to the T-zone. And spread it to your face. This area is really important for the primer, so do apply primer over here. Now we will continue to the perfect base, which is foundation. Today I'm going to apply MAC, so I'll take little bit on my hand. Take a sponge. This is by Color Bar, so dab a little, and I need a mirror. And now dab all over to your face. Try not to rub it, just dab. Take it to your neck. This is really important as face and neck should always match. Now that I am done with my base, I will conceal a little bit. I will start with the concealer with Makeup Revolution. I will put some under the eye, around the corners, little bit on nose, upper lid of my lip, and on chin. And now let's just blend. So now I will pack it up. This is by Beauty. I'll take a little bit with a brush and just swipe a little. You can see I'm applying very little. So now this is the palette by Nykaa and I'll start contouring with this one brush by Real Techniques and contour. I'll start contouring. So I'll extend my contouring till my lip area. I'll work for the jawline. Just at the end of the jaw, apply a little of your contouring just to give a defined jawline. And don't forget this part. This will show as a double chin. And merge your contouring. Little bit on the corners of your face to make it oval. Top of your forehead. temples of your forehead. These are the temples of your forehead, and you need to apply. Some on your nose. So I'll take a little bit on my finger, and now I'll make a line. I'm done with my foundation, with the powder and the contouring. Let's start the peachy process. Now I'm taking by Makeup Revolution this peachy cheek color. Take a little bit on your hand. Take a back side of your sponge. Just dab a little. Dab on your cheeks. Leave some side for your eyes and your cheeks. Otherwise you will look puffy, and you don't want to look that. Dab on your cheekbone. So let's highlight a little, taking my palette again by Nykaa. There. So I'm taking this shade by this small brush. I will take a good amount of my highlighter. Tap a little. Just highlight your cheekbones till your cheeks. Don't worry, if you think it's an excess, we will tone it down. Just apply. Eye on your forehead, just this portion, bridge of your nose, on your chin, bit on cupid of your lips. So next we'll go for the eyeshadows, which will be a little bit of coral colors. This is a palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm going to go with the base color, this one. So I'll take a little bit, tap a little, apply on all of my eyelids. Now second is this orange color. Take a little bit, tap a little, starting from the corners, blend a little, cover the whole eyelid with the orange color, which will be your coral color initially. I'm taking this beautiful color by Makeup Revolution, put it on the eyelid. It will accentuate my eyelid. Taking a little bit of yellow. And the corner of your eyelids. Highlight hit your eyebrow bone. And follow the lead. I have completed my kajal, eyeliner and mascara. Now coming to the lipstick. Since I don't have coral lipstick, so I'll make one. So I'll start with my lip liner by Miss Claire. This is L24. So I'll line my lips. And side by side, I'm filling the gaps on the lips. I'll take my palette and take my brush and take that orange color which I have put on my eyelid. I'll dab a little and now I'll smudge it on my lips a little bit, a little tinge of orange. And here's my coral lipstick. So now for the final touch, I'll take this Maybelline blush and my brush and dab a little. This is a coral brush. Dab a little and just a little swipe on my cheeks. So that's it, guys. Now I've opened my hair. This is my final look. I hope you like my peachy look. Do try it and let me know in the comment section. Do comment, subscribe and share. Till then, love you guys. Bye.